So what is up, my dudes? So today we will be I'm gonna be showing you how to stream on Twitch. So first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to speedtest.net, and then once you get there you'll see a big button that says go. Okay, so yeah, alright, I just want to make sure I'm recording. So yeah, you're gonna hit that go button, okay, and yeah, you're gonna see your internet speed. Alright, so it's gonna show you your download and upload speed, and I'm not sure why this isn't higher. Usually it's in the 200s, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, this is usually in the 200s for me, but yours might be different depending on your internet plan or where you live. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out of the way. So yeah, now that you have your data, you're going to I'm going to teach you how to stream on Twitch with Streamlabs OBS. Alright, so you're going to open up Streamlabs OBS. Okay, you're going to install the chat box, the donation ticker. Well, actually, this is all personal preference, but this is what I have. I have the chat box, the donation ticker, the event list, the alert box, and that's it. So those are the plugins which you will see when you're installing Streamlabs OBS, and that's what I have right now. So yeah, and then anyways, after you're set up Streamlabs OBS, you're gonna want to hit the settings. All right. Oh no, never mind. You're gonna want to, okay. So basically, you're going to want to, how do I say this? So you're gonna have a scene here, and you'll set up what you want here. If you install any plugins, they'll be right at the top, I think. Or if they're not, then definitely move them up there. Yeah, they have to be at the top, anyways. And then these are all of your captures and stuff that you can have. So if let's say you're gonna stream Fortnite, you would click this one, right? And then what I do, I would hit game capture, okay? And then name it whatever you want. Alright, so I'm gonna name mine Fortnite. Alright, and I would add that new source, okay? And then if you wanted to, you could hit capture specific window, and then it's not gonna show up for me because I don't have Fortnite open right now. But then once you have Fortnite open, you'll see a Fortnite client thing. You'll click on that, and then yeah, you'll do that. And yeah, anyways, so yeah. Yes, I want to remove Fortnite. Anyways, so yeah, after you have your scene set up, you're gonna want to go to settings here, and then you're gonna want to go to stream. Okay, so your stream type should be streaming services, unless you have a custom streaming server. Service, depending on what you're streaming on, do Twitch or YouTube or whatever you're gonna stream on. All right, and then it'll put you on this auto server, right? But if you really want to, you can pick the server nearest to you, and the one nearest to me is Ashburn, Virginia, which is nowhere near me, but it's the nearest to me. So this is your stream key here, which I'll show you how to get in just a minute. But you never want to show this to anybody, because they don't need your account to stream. All they need is the stream key, and they'll just put it in, and then they can stream from your account. So you do not want that. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you how to get that real quick. So get that, you're gonna want to go to your dashboard. Alright, so you'll go to twitch.tv/your channel. By the way, guys, I'm new to Twitch, so if you guys wouldn't mind dropping a follow here at xwill17, alright? Anyways, so you'll go here, and then you'll click on there, alright? You go to channel, okay? And Why is it not working? Oh, sorry, not channel. You go to dashboard. Okay. And then from here, you'll go to channel. And then I'm not going to hit this because then you guys will see my stream key and I don't want that. And so that you'll copy this, okay, and you'll paste it into right there. Right here. You'll paste it into here, okay? And alright, let's say your stream key happens to get out somewhere. Alright, you would just hit this reset button. And yeah, it would just change your stream key. And you can do that as many times as you need to, alright? So yeah, you can, and yeah, that's it. Alright, next, you're gonna go to output, okay? And I like to have this on advanced because it just gives you more options. So click, yeah, it'll be on simple, but click advanced, alright? And then under streaming, you're gonna want to do this, okay? So keep all of this the same, okay? And then check rescale output, okay? So I have a 1080p monitor, so usually it would be 920 by 1080. But my internet speed, okay, is this. My upload speed, that's all that matters. And then once you know your speed, you would go here, okay? And, okay, so 1 megabyte, okay, is 1024 kilobytes, okay? So basically, if you have 1 megabyte of upload speed, then you're gonna go do this one, okay? Which is like nothing, I think. Anyways, I do this one right here. I do this one. So what you would do is once you know your internet speed, you would look like here. I'm just gonna show you all this. You guys can see this, okay? So let's say you want to stream at 1080p 60 frames a second, okay? This is what's gonna have to be your internet, okay? So that's gonna be your internet speed, alright? And yeah, so then you would put that. Well, one, if you're gonna stream at 1080p 60 frames, you'd change this to 920 by 1080, okay? And you would change your bitrate to somewhere in between here, okay? So it can be like, I mean, 4500 is fine, but if you want to do like 4600, then do what you need, all right? But I'm doing this right here, and I stream, yeah, like that. So I'll keep the rest the same, and yeah, so we're done here. And yeah, just make sure you got your output resolution like you want it, and your bitrate like you need it, okay? And then audio here. So this desktop audio device 1, that's going to be your headphones or your speakers, like whatever you use to actually, you know, listen to your PC. I use this, so that's why it's on there. Leave this disabled unless otherwise, like, you have like a secondary thing. Yeah. Otherwise, if you do have a secondary thing, pick there, you know. And then this is your mic. Okay, this is your main mic. And I'm using a Yeti, so I have that, okay? And then you will go to video. And then this right here is your monitor, alright? Put that as your monitor, okay? And then this is what you'll be streaming at, okay? So basically, you want to put this to whatever you're streaming at again. So if you're streaming at 1080, put it at 920 by 1080. If you're streaming at 720 like I am, put it like that, okay? And leave this stuff the same, and then make sure that this is on common FPS values, okay? And then what you want to do is, depending on, what did I do? What did I do? Alright, sorry about that. So, depending on what you're streaming at, like you remember, so I'm streaming at this, so I would put this at 60 frames a second, okay? If you're streaming at 30 frames a second, then put it like put it 30 frames a second, okay? I wouldn't recommend anything in between because it's just kind of weird, you know? But, yeah. And then you move on to hotkeys, okay? And this is what I have for my streaming. I have control arrow up and control arrow down. You can make whatever you want. And then, hold on. Oh, alright. And then I have like a background thing. So whenever I don't want people to see my screen, I would just press control and then the back quote. And then I would switch to my dog, okay? And then when I want to come back, I would do control plus minus, okay? And then advanced, advanced. So actually, I'm just gonna change this to 5 real quick. So leave this all the same, okay? And then you can have a stream delay if you want, okay? I do this because stream snipers will beat me up. But yeah, I have like a little delay, 5-second delay. And yeah, so preserved, cut off. I don't know what that is. Anyways, scene collection, you can explore that. And that actually should be it. Wait. Oh, frick. Okay, I don't want to show that. Alright. Anyways, I think that should be it for the settings, okay? So, then, yeah, this is going to be a 2-in-1 tutorial, actually. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, oh, by the way, you'll have a black screen, don't worry, I just have it set up so you can actually see my monitor, because, yeah. Let me just turn this off real quick. And that's what it'll look like for you. So, basically, if you have a clicky keyboard or a clicky mouse or something, and you want to try to help hide it, what you would look up replugs, okay? Go to this, alright? Download whatever is appropriate for your operating system. So if you have 64-bit, download this one. If you have 32, download that. I have 64, so I downloaded that one, okay? Install it to the default location, okay? And then you'll want to come back once you're done with that. And then you see your mic here, right? You would click the cog, alright? You would do filters right here. And then what you would do is you would add a filter, okay? So you would do this one, name it whatever the heck you want, alright? And then you would select refer standalone.dll, alright? And then you would open the plugin interface, alright? So this might look a little bit scary, but it's not, okay? So what you want to do is you want to change it to subtract, okay? And then make sure your room is not your room, but make sure that you and everything else is absolutely quiet, but don't mute your mic. And then once everything is absolutely quiet, check this box right here, okay? And once you check the box, you're going to want to, yeah, do that for about like 10 seconds or something, okay? And then that's going to subtract the room noise from your mic. So, yeah, that's cool. And yeah, okay. And then, if you're still getting a little bit frustrated, you know, add another one, okay? And then select regate standalone instead of refer, okay? And then open that one. And basically how you would do this, okay? So, pay attention to these bars when you're not talking, alright? And when they stop, you know, doing that, when they stop going down and they just stay at a certain level, you're gonna take note of that and move this thing wherever it is. So, watch. Oh, wait a minute, sorry. this filter. Never mind. But basically, it'll be different for you. It'll always be there. Okay. And then you would just put it slightly above where it ends. Okay. But I already have this filter, so that's why I just did that. But yeah. So here, I'll show you an example. So this is one I actually used. So it would just go like this. And that's where you would put it, just right there. And basically what that allows you to do is whenever you're, like, how do I say this? Whenever you're not talking, it'll mute your mic for you until you start talking again, alright? Anyways, now that you're done with that, hit go live, or you can just use your hotkeys, make a title, make a game, all that stuff, and then confirm and go live, and then you'll be live. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See ya. Peace.